In this video, I'm going to show you how to do the unboxing and a complete setup of your Canon Pixma G4270 All-in-one printer. This is a wireless printer. You can do the copy, print, scan and fax with it. It can print up to 6000 black pages or 7700 color pages. It is an ink tank printer, so once you fill in the ink, it will last maybe a year or more than that. So it depends how much you use it. Let's do the unboxing and a complete setup and then a test of this printer. So this printer comes with the ink bottles. They are here. So it comes with a set of 4 ink bottles. Ink number is 21 for each of them. Comes with the manual and other lift the printer. Now remove the protective tape, plug in the power cable, switch on the printer, press the power button. So it has a small screen. Go to the printer display panel. On this screen you have to select your language and press OK. Confirm it. Switch on the automatic updates, so press OK. Install the print head and ink tank. To install the print head and the ink tank, you have to lift the printer from this side. Now this printer comes with the 2 print heads, that's the color and the black, and you have a set of 4 ink bottles. Let's install the print heads. Lift from here. Take the print heads out of the box. Remove this orange seal and also remove this sticker. Place it at the B. So B for black, just place it here. Go the color. Open the color. Remove the seal and also remove the top seal. Place it on the color side. Just let it go. Close it. Press it down until you hear a lock sound. You may have to apply a little bit extra pressure. Next step is to install the ink. So let's start with the yellow. Open this cap. Now take the ink bottle, fill the ink here, so just let it go down. Take the ink bottle, close the seal, go for the next. Open the seal, place it here like this. Press it down, it will fill the ink tank. Remove the ink bottle, close it, seal it back. Open the next. It's very easy to install the ink tank, so you just have to follow the steps. Remove the bottle. Close it. Last is to fill the black ink. Black ink is here. So that's filled in. Take it out. close the cap. Next step is to just close this. So lift it up and let it go down. So it will close itself. Go to the display panel. Press OK. This is going to take around 6 minutes. You can see the printer is ready, and you will see the main screen of the printer. It displays copy, scan, fax. Next step is to do the wireless setup of the printer so that we can use it with the different devices. To do the wireless setup, scroll down, click on the setting, select the first option, LAN setting. Select Wi-Fi. Scroll down and click on the Wi-Fi setup. Scroll down and click on the manual connect. Scroll down. Select your Wi-Fi network. Click next. You can select use all routers or just one. Press OK. Select any one MAC address. Enter the password of your Wi-Fi. From here you can select numbers, uppercase, lowercase. Once you enter the password, press OK to apply. Printer is connected to the wireless router. Press OK. Click on the home button. You will see the Wi-Fi signal on the top of the screen. Your printer is available on your wireless network. Next step is to add in a device for wireless printing and scanning. You can add this printer in a laptop, MacBook, or in your smartphone. Next step is to load the paper. To load the paper, you have to slide this tray out, adjust the size, and place the A4 size or letter size paper and confirm it on the main screen. Next step is to connect this printer with the device for wireless printing and scanning. For example, I'm just going to install it in my smartphone. Go to the Canon Print App. You can download this app from the App Store. In this app, we have to add the printer. So click on the Add switch. Click on the Register Printer. Wait for a few seconds and it will display your Canon G4070 series. Select it. Instantly it will add up the printer. If you want, you can start using it to print favorite photos, or you can just know more if you visit the website. Your printer will display on the main screen and we are ready to use it for wireless printing and scanning. For example, to print a document, select any document you want to print from this printer. Click on the next. Now this printer can do the two-sided printing. So if we make a change to the copies, so I'm just wanting for 2 copies, click back and click on the print. Output tray is here. Printing is done. If you want to do the scanning, you can just place pages in the ADF tray. It's good to scan multiple pages. If you want to use the flatbed, you can use it for scanning passport or IDs. Go to the main screen of the app, click on the scan icon. If you want to make any changes, you can do that. Select. Once you make the changes, go back and click on the scan. scan is transferred. Both pages are available. You can click on this icon, save it as a PDF or JPEG. On the next screen, click on the save to files or any other location and click save. Go back. So that's the complete setup of this printer, and we can start using it for wireless printing and scanning. If you want to use it for a small office or home, you can use it. It is an ink tank printer. You can print a lot of documents, photos with it. Good thing is, like, it has a ADF tray on the top, so you can scan multiple pages. Even you can copy multiple pages from here, and it can do the two-sided printing for you. That's all about it. Thanks for watching.